Question natin dito from Burger Kasakin is, ano yung difference daw ng cover letter sa bio sa Upwork? Kasi yung task natin yesterday is yung pag-create ng resume, cover letter para dun sa inyong pag-a-apply, including paano mag-record ng voice, which is some of the materials na inire-recommend ko na nakahanda na kagad sa inyong application book pagka mag-a-apply kayo as a freelancer. Your resume should talk about you. Sino ka, anong natapos mo, anong previous work experience mo, what have you accomplished for yourself, for your career. Your cover letter should talk about why they should hire you. Why do you think you're a perfect fit for that position? It is the best place to highlight your elevator pitch. So kung hindi nyo pa alam ang elevator pitch, Google nyo lang, maraming guide dyan. Portfolio naman is supposed to show them exactly what you can do for their business. Para siyang album na paglalagyan mo ng lahat ng sample work mo, ganyan. A lot of times, ang nakikita ko na parang common mistake for me is that yung resume, ginagawan lang ng design, nalagay lang sa Canva, gagawing website, tinatawag ng portfolio, which is wrong. Supposedly, kung ganun ang itsura ng portfolio nyo, might as well, wag na kayong mag-send ng resume. Idiretso na nyo yung portfolio nyo na isang resume na may design, na magandang creative. Applicable din yon kung kayo ang ina-apply niyo na position or role ay creatives. Pero kung ang ina-applyan nyo is admin work, you might as well showcase what you can do with Microsoft Office, ganyan. So, for task number 12, I want you to create a Google folder that will have your resume, your cover letter, and your voice recording. Sa voice recording nyo, kung walang provided si client na script, pwede ninyong sagutin yung question na, tell me about yourself. To create a Google folder, go to Chrome, click here, and then click on Drive. Click New, click on New Folder. Labelan ng folder na application book and then your name and then click on Create. From this folder, pwede nyo nang ilagay dyan yung resume ninyo. Pagkatapos, inad ko na din dyan yung voice recording ko, yung aking disk profile, yung aking personality test na 2, yung screenshot ng typing test ko, and a video recording of myself. Per usual, I want you to document your journey. Tag me and comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!